Hi, I'm Andrew, Chief Analyst and Researcher at SeniorHealthReport.com. And if you are living with joint stiffness or arthritis pain, what I am about to share with you may be one of the most exciting things you have heard in a long time. Because there is a vitamin, one that costs just a few dollars, that researchers are finding can quiet joint inflammation and help rebuild the tissue that keeps your joints moving smoothly. And most doctors are not talking about it. Now, most people know that vitamin D is important for bone health. And that is true. But what I want to talk about today is a different vitamin entirely. One that works deeper inside your cells, inside structures called mitochondria, to fight the inflammation and tissue breakdown that makes arthritis so painful. Stay with me, because this one is truly fascinating. Or the vitamin is called niacinamide. It is a form of vitamin B3. And to understand why it matters, you need to know about a molecule in your body called NAD. Think of NAD as a helper molecule. Its job is to take the food you eat and turn it into energy your cells can actually use. It does this by moving tiny particles called electrons through a process that eventually produces something called ATP, which is the fuel your body runs on. NAD is involved in over 400 different genes, which tells you just how important it is. Here is the part that most people over 60 do not know. When your NAD levels drop, which happens naturally as we age, something goes wrong inside your joints. Your body struggles to repair collagen, the material that cushions your joints. Inflammation rises. You feel more pain and stiffness. Your muscles get weaker. Your immune system takes a hit, and your cells age faster than they should because they cannot repair their own DNA properly. Low NAD is one of the reasons so many people our age feel like their joints are just falling apart. Now here is where niacinamide gets really interesting. When people take aspirin or other anti-inflammatory drugs for arthritis, those medicines work by targeting a specific process inside your cells that drives inflammation. The problem is they come with real risks, including stomach bleeding, ulcers, and kidney damage. Steroids are even worse. They can actually destroy cartilage over time. Niacinamide appears to work on a similar pathway. Specifically, it helps reduce a type of stress inside a structure in your cells called the endoplasmic reticulum. When that stress goes down, inflammation goes down with it. And it does this without the dangerous side effects that come with drugs. That is a pretty remarkable thing for a simple B vitamin to do. By the way, if you are finding this kind of research useful, our course, Regain Your Health and Vitality, even after 60, covers natural approaches to managing chronic inflammation in depth. You can find the link in the description below. Now, one important distinction. There are two forms of vitamin B3. There is niacin and there is niacinamide. Niacin is better known for supporting healthy cholesterol and lipids. Niacinamide is the form that research points to specifically for arthritis and inflammation. They are related, but they work very differently in the body. Make sure you are looking for niacinamide on the label. As for how much to take, the smaller amounts spread throughout the day appear to work better than one large dose. Research suggests somewhere in the range of 100 to 150 milligrams taken 3 to 6 times a day, depending on how severe your symptoms are. Your body processes it more effectively in smaller doses, and that steady supply supports the biological repair work your joints need most. A couple of other things worth knowing. Make sure you are getting enough protein in your diet. Protein provides the building blocks your body needs to actually repair joint tissue. And if you drink alcohol regularly, that can interfere with how your body uses this vitamin, so cutting back will help. A diet high in junk food and heavily processed grains can also deplete your B3 levels faster than you might expect. The bottom line is this: or if you are dealing with arthritis pain and stiffness, and you are looking for something safe, affordable, and grounded in real science, niacinamide deserves a serious look. This is exactly the kind of evidence-based solution we explore in our course, Regain Your Health and Vitality. Even after 60, 12 modules, 48 lessons, all built around what the research actually shows for people our age. The link is in the description below. I'm Andrew for Senior Health Report. Stay informed. Stay healthy. And check out the video in the upper right of your screen. It may be the most important video you watch this year.